Hey guys, back again, me and Ray.
How you doing?
Now we're going to show you how to properly label the cable so nobody gets confused and we're not backtracking to look for cable that we don't know where it's at. So the proper distance is 18 inches from, your tip. So you just, for rule of thumb, it's, you grab it with your hand and it's to like your forearm. So right there, you're gonna label whatever number wire this is. So let's just say it's cable AP3. You would just write A, and you write vertically when you're labeling. So it's easier to read. AP3. And you would see that, and then you do 2 lines just to be sure when you're looking at it, and make sure you score it on the back twice too. So when you're looking for it, it'll be easily visible and you're not searching crazy. So now you're just gonna, just in case you can't find this or this rubs off for some reason, same distance, you do it again, label it one more time, the same label, another 18 inches, AP3 with your 2 lines on both sides, right under and on the back. And make sure you also try not to write on any of the cable print writing, because that's where it tells you, your footage and what wire it is, and it's just easier to read your label. So there's your labels. You got one here, 18 inches from the tip, and then another 18 inches. And yeah, you should be able to find that, and that's how you label a cable properly.